I'll show you the scenario outside Matoshri. I'll tell my camera person to pan the camera and show our viewers the scenario outside Matoshri. Cops have been deputed over here. You can see the main entrance of Matoshri. Corporators have already started gathering outside Matoshri. You can see corporators in a white and black dress. They have started gathering. Everybody is eager to know the condition of Balasaheb Thackeray. If you pan the camera, and we can show, even the media person are standing over here day and night, and outside the barricade you can see the Shiv Sainiks have already here. You can see the large number of cops have been deputed over here. If you compare to last 2 days, I will definitely tell you that today the number of cops have been increased. Past 2 days we have seen more than 2,000 cops have been deputed exactly outside the Matoshri and including the Rapid Action Force. But today the number of Mumbai cops have certainly increased, and which is quite visible. If you see everywhere, you will see Mumbai police only. So certainly today the scenario is a bit tense. If you see, right, Matoshri is very close from the Western Express Highway, and a part of the Western Express Highway is completely blocked, and which is completely occupied by Rapid Action Force vans and police vans. So certainly the security have been increased as compared to past 2 days. Today there is the tight security outside Matoshri today.
Right, Vrushali Vella. Thank you so much for those updates. So as the condition of Balasaheb Thackeray remains critical, there is going to be a very important meeting in which, of course, the Shiv Sena corporators are going to meet at around 11 in the morning, and they will take stock of the situation. Of course, we'll keep tracking those developments in Mumbai. All right, and then let's move on now. Well, NewsX has always championed the cases of the weak, the vulnerable, and the courageous who are victimized. Now today we bring to you the story of a 15-year-old girl from Siwan district of Bihar who suffered severe burn injuries in an acid attack. Now the child is battling for her life at the burns unit of Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital.
Attacked, scolded, disfigured, and now under the care of the doctors at Delhi's Safdarjung Hospital. 15-year-old Tuba Tabassum battles wounds of a vicious acid attack on her in her hometown Siwan. Attacked with acid for spurning a boy's romantic advances.
हमारी बच्ची 10th में पढ़ती है, अपीयर थी एक मैट्रिक एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, तो उसी के साथ वो भी ट्यूशन में पढ़ता था, तो वो मतलब उससे बात करना चाहता था, हमारी बच्ची नहीं चाहती थी, तो इसी जलन में उसने और 3 लड़कों और 4 लड़कों ने मिल करके तेजाब को फेंक दिया.
A promising life now threatens to become a burden for the victim herself.
सरकार से हम लोग मदद चाहेंगे, सरकार से मदद चाहेंगे.
लड़की का जो है चेहरे का जख्म कुछ बेहतर है, आँख बिल्कुल एक बाईं आँख खत्म हो चुकी है, नाक ये कट चुका है यहाँ का पूरा ये.
The attacker getting away with possibly little or no punishment.
अरेस्ट है, लेकिन उन लोगों की ये है कोशिश है कि माइनर साबित करके, और जो कानून में माइनर का छूट है उसका वो लोग फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं.
They feel that when they offer or they want to fall in, and they are falling in love and they love the person, they must get the same response from them. As a result, what happens is that normally they would be just too aggressive. They will just buy the acid and throw and destroy the appearance. Basically that is the purpose behind it, but then it really destroys the total life and future of the girls.
Such attacks becoming almost the rule rather than the exception in recent times. A clarion call in many ways for the government to sit up and take note and act.
Tuba Tabassum struggles for her survival in Safdarjung Hospital in New Delhi. She came from Patna to New Delhi with lots of hopes. But right now she's still struggling with pain, operations after operations, graft surgeries after surgeries. Every part of her body seems to have been tarnished by this attack. The family only hopes and prays that she is able to live a healthy and happy life after this. But clearly the scars of her body might go. But is there something that will work on the scars of her mind? 15-year-old, the only hope she has right now is to be able to see properly.
With Nishtha Grover in Delhi, Bureau Report, NewsX.
And for more, don't forget to watch our special show at 10:30 a.m. today. Burnt, battered, undefeated. Well, moving on, victim of corporal punishment, 9-year-old Pia Chaudhary, who had lost her left eye after being struck by her teacher in Rajasthan 2 years back, has died. Now, Pia, a UKG student of the Tagore school in Jhunjhunu, had been struck by her maths teacher for not completing her homework in July 2010. She was struck so hard that she lost the sight in her left eye and later developed a clot in her brain. That clot gradually turned cancerous. Now, Pia passed away on Friday night. The NewsX had first reported on the story in August of 2010. Now, here's a report on what happened to Pia Chaudhary.
Ma'am, I haven't done my homework, mumbled the first standard student Pia, but the teacher reacted violently, resulting in her going blind in one eye.
मैथ सब्जेक्ट की जो टीचर है इनकी प्रतिभा सिंह, क्लास टीचर भी वही हैं, जो देख रही थी होमवर्क पूरा ना होने की वजह से उसी नोटबुक से गुस्से में आकर और बच्चे को मारने लग गए, जो आंख पे लगने से विट्रस हेमरेज हो गया, डॉक्टरों का मानना है, और आंख की रोशनी पूर्णतः खत्म हो चुकी है.
The incident occurred on the 3rd of July. No cure has helped her so far. The child is still in pain.
दिखता भी नहीं है.
और क्यों मारा था टीचर ने?
होमवर्क नहीं था.
किसका?
मैथ्स का.
Allegations arise that no action has come forth so far as the school is run by the leader. Pia's to trust the police has decided to move to the Rajasthan High Court seeking justice.
We are now going to move to the High Court for asking for the compensation from the school as well as the district administration or for the action against the school, the teacher and the hearing officials.
Even as the government mulls over stringent laws to ban corporal punishment, there seems to be no end to such violence on children.
For a month and a half, Sonu Chaudhary, wife of an army man, has been trying everything to get relief for her daughter. But even the experts at AIIMS and also the army hospital in Delhi have said a big no. And so life is going to be a big struggle for this little girl. In Jaipur, with video journalist Mesh Sharma, this is Vishal Baristo, NewsX.
And those who are fascinated with cars, now German luxury giant BMW has launched its first 4-door coupe ever in India. Now, buying this new BMW 640D Grand Coupe will set you back by a whopping 86 lakh rupees. Take a look at this lean mean machine.
The first 4-door coupe in the history of BMW, the all-new 6 Series Grand last week. The German giant unveiled the car through Vision of Beauty, an exclusive collection designed by fashion designer Manish Malhotra. Sporty performance and great efficiency characterize the new BMW twin-power turbo diesel engine in the Grand Coupe. The car accelerates to 100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds with the ability to achieve a top speed of 250 km per hour. It sports an 8-speed automatic transmission with cruise control with pedal shift also registers their presence along the steering wheel. The driver has an option to choose between different driving modes to suit the driving condition. This includes Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. In addition, dynamic damper control adapts the shock absorber characteristics and adjusts to suit both the road condition and driving style. The 6 Series Grand Coupe comes at an all-India ex-showroom price of 86.4 lakh rupees. Bad news floated from the German luxury car makes Audi stable as they have announced a price hike of 5% across their model range. The price hike will be effective from 1st January. Audi has said that the prices of all cars have been hiked because of the increase in input costs, rising fuel prices and depreciation of the rupee. Just last month, Audi has hiked the price of their entry-level SUV Q3 by 2%. The price hike effective from January 1st will be over and above this.
And now something for the kids and also the grown-up kids, because the Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny, the Tooth Fairy, the Sandman and Jack Frost, all these legendary characters are known for their extraordinary abilities, and together they are set to create a magic in the animated film Rise of the Guardians, a must-watch for everybody, it seems. Take a look.
Sandy, why didn't you say something? Ho ho. How is going to be epic? Am I on the naughty list? You hold the record.
I remember my daughter came up and she was about 6, dragging her 3-year-old brother. And she goes, does Santa Claus know the Easter Bunny? Are they friends? And so I started thinking about how to answer those questions. And I wanted to do a story about how all the icons of childhood came together.
Oh no. Santa Claus. The Easter Bunny? Sandman. The Tooth Fairy. Surprise!
Rise of the Guardians was something that Bill Joyce had specifically come up with to entertain his kids and to kind of create a mythology for these characters that everybody has a real special place in their heart for.
It is our job to watch over the children of the world and keep them safe, to bring wonder, hope, and dreams.
These guys are the original superheroes.
Come on, let's go!
That's what I think we're doing with these characters, is making them grand and glorious.
This is going to be epic!
I really became enamored of Guardians.
Can't wait to watch that movie, but you don't go anywhere because news and updates continue on NewsX.
The most important opinion makers.
Where these common people will go, there will be a disaster.
The biggest issues that touch our lives.
We are destroying ourselves. India's story of growth.
The stories with maximum impact.
Battle against corruption will continue against the government.
Direct, unbiased, incisive. NewsX debate. At these times on NewsX.
Guys, ये मेहरबानी किस लिए? अपने लिए बना रहा था तो शर्ट चाहिए. Look at your size. Perfume. Boxes. अबे तो बोल ना. I was thinking अपने Reliance Digital TV पे जो हमने reward points collect किए ना, उसके बदले हम कुकरी वाला चैनल ले लेते. Hey, come on, yeah, guys.
Buy any Reliance Digital TV channel pack and earn reward points. Collect them and redeem them for any channel pack of your choice.
Reliance.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियां.
A cracker of Diwali at the box office this week. Yash Chopra's last directorial venture. Shah Rukh Khan starrer Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Clash with Ajay Devgan and Sonakshi Sinha starrer Son of Sardar. We tell you the audience's verdict and who won the battle. Also a look at Salman Khan's Dabangg 2. Watch Box Office Fever at this time on NewsX.
This week on Living Cars, watch 2 capable SUVs in our off-road special.
We're almost at 5,000 meters.
The Mercedes GL takes on a snow-covered mountain pass in Ladakh.
This is Warila Pass, where a lot of the vehicles couldn't make it up, but the GL is a capable off-roader for me.
While the Toyota Fortuner takes to some mud and slush. Watch Living Cars at this time on NewsX.
From the stories of the street to the high roads of power. Through the dust and the rain, beyond the cities and the angry plains, after acts of God, to the boundaries of belief, between faces filled with hope and hearts racked with rage. Every day, day after day, we bring the stories of a nation home to you.
I grew up in the same area that she lived in, Nepean Sea Road. And I still remember even when she wasn't an actor and she used to walk the street, every kid used to go gaga over her.
She is my heartthrob even now.
We look back on the life and times of Zeenat Aman. Watch Flashback Zeenat Aman Special at this time on NewsX.
I can talk English, I can walk English.
भोली सूरत दिल के खोटे, नाम बड़े और दर्शन छोटे.
जय हंगामा, कहाँ भाग रही थू मैं? Don't forget.
इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े धुन, सुन सुन सुन, अरे बेटा सुन, इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना आजमाए।
Comedy is